welcome back to a new vlog of mine. So this time we're getting ready for my big trip. I'm super excited. I'm going to Asia for 2 months and I'm gonna take you guys along with me to glow up because I'm about to go to the hairdresser. I need I need my roots done. This is starting to look really messy. Also my nails are so grown out. Now you can see it actually because it focused for the first time. I did them myself, so I basically put all the gems and rhinestones on there myself, but as you can see, they're super grown out. They just feel really crusty. One's already lifting, so it is time to get them done. So that's what we're gonna go to do today. This head first stops the hair appointment, and then we have to come back because, as you can see, my room's a mess. I still have a lot of stuff I need to send back and bring to the post. I have a lot of appointments and just... it's gonna be a full chaos. I haven't started packing yet. I'm flying in 1.5 days. I'm already checked in and I haven't got a single thing packed. So this is gonna be interesting. I don't know how I'm gonna manage to do all of this in like 1.5 days. But we don't have more time. So I better get right on into it and yeah, go over to the hairdresser. But I'm gonna show you guys what I packed for 2 months. This is gonna be quite a challenge. I don't know how much sunscreen to bring with. It feels like it's just never gonna be enough. I also have to get a few of my makeup items and just a lot of other stuff. But yeah, it will be really interesting to see how I plan my outfits for a 2-month trip. But I'm gonna show you guys what I pack, how I prepare for going away for 2 months to Asia. So if you're also going to Asia maybe in the next time, or you're also going on a big long-term trip, then make sure to keep watching to see my tips and tricks on traveling. Since I have traveled around quite a bit already, I kind of have my routines and stuff that I always like to bring and a few tips for you guys. So this is my quick outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this huge sweater like in the last video. A t-shirt underneath and just some white long pants and Adidas Samba sneakers. Don't mind my room, it's a total mess at the moment. I'm in the process of packing, so yeah, I've just washed all my clothes yesterday. They're still damp, they're still wet, so I really hope they're gonna be, fingers crossed, I really hope they're gonna be dry tomorrow so I can pack them. But yeah, for now I'm running late to my appointment, so let's go and get these roots touched up. I'm back from the hairdresser, as you can see, and my hair is back to super gray, and I think you can see a bit better how my hair came out. I love it. It was so brassy and yellow before. That just always happens with blonde hair. It just oxidizes and gets really yellowish, and now it's super icy again. But I'm so tired from the day. Like, honestly, I know I didn't do much but sit around, but being patient sometimes can be really exhausting. My hair is back to very icy and very blonde, and I'm absolutely obsessed with the hair color. I wish it could look like this all the time. Right now I think it does look quite gray in the camera, but if it's like in broad daylight then it looks super blonde and icy. And I also got my nails done. I opted for, now it's focusing, I got these chrome tips, and I'm really happy with the nails. They came out great. I'm still deciding if I want to put some rhinestones and some gemstones on there, maybe like a planet and a cross or something. I'll have to see if I have time for that. But I did have quite the situation in the nail salon earlier, because the person that was doing my nails was just out of extraordinary rude, and there was this miscommunication, and oh my god, it was just very exhausting because he was very aggressive towards me for no reason, because I always stay very calm. Even when I might not be super happy with something or might not understand something, I always stay calm and try to make the best out of the situation. But he was just screaming at me for no reason. Like, you could obviously tell he didn't want to be there. I mean, I never know what's happening in the background. I never know what's happening in the lives of others, so, you know, I don't want to judge anyone, but it was just a very uncomfortable situation where I was very happy to leave the nail salon after this. But at least I had a nice experience at the hair salon. I just spent so much money today, guys. You know, a thing you never think about is the days before the vacation. Those are like the most expensive days ever. Like, you end up spending so much money on hair salons, nail salons, going to the drugstore, getting like all your hair products and everything you need for the trip. Like, this is insane. This is like more than the trip is costing me, it feels like. And now I really have to start packing because I haven't packed anything yet, as I said. I also need to decide on what I want to wear tomorrow for the plane. My friend Emily, who's flying with me, is coming tomorrow at 6 p.m. to my house, and then we're gonna sleep for a few hours before we have to go out to the airport, I think at around 5 a.m. So yeah, but for now I think I'll better start packing because it's getting late and I really want to have it packed by tonight. Also a quick Primark haul. I just went there for a second because I actually wanted to get my eyebrow pencils, but they were out, which is so unfortunate because now I have to go without them. But whatever, I'll have to see what the other stores have. But for now, I got these lashes. They're 150 single individual lashes, and that's great because I'll be needing those on the trip, and now I have definitely more than enough. They were about $6.50. Then I got, well, €6.50. We still live in Europe, not in America. And then I have these cosmetic pads, which are a great price, 70 cents for 120. Got 2 of those because probably use up all of those. And then I have some fuzzy socks because I actually sleep with fuzzy socks every single night. I cannot stand if my feet are cold, so I wore these like every single day all the time when I'm at home, and they were only $2.50 in this pink cute color. And yeah, that's what I got from Primark. So now let's start packing. A little update how packing is going so far. My room is looking like a total mess at the moment, so I just have my big suitcase over here, all the shoes I want to bring. Not sure if I'm bringing all of those yet. I packed my bikini, socks, and underwear, and then I have some pants in there already, and this is what I'm taking into my carry-on. And then this is all the other stuff that I want to bring, and then I still have some laundry out there, so I really don't know how all of this is gonna fit in there. Like, this is insane. I'm definitely gonna continue packing tomorrow because it's already pretty late tonight and I still have to eat something for dinner. But yeah, it's a hot mess at the moment. So I'm a little bit scared at the moment because you're only allowed to bring 20 kilos and I feel like my suitcase is way too heavy. Gladly my friend tomorrow has a scale so we can weigh the suitcases, but this already looks to me like way more than 20 kilos. So over here I just have my pants, I have 2 pajamas on top, and then skirts and stuff, and here I have all my tops and long sleeves, and then here I have all my dresses. And yeah, it's getting pretty full. I mean, I don't have much left, so I'd only have 2 skirts and 2 dresses left that I'm thinking about packing in the small suitcase. But yeah, this is pretty full, but I'm surprised actually that so far everything has been is fitting quite well in the suitcase. Let's see how it is when I'm about to close it. And I also have like my cosmetics in there as well as my makeup and my shoes because that always takes up so much space. And also I want to bring some bags, so yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. It is the next day and I'm still at packing, so my laundry's still not fully dry, and I really hope it dries until tonight because there's still some things I want to pack. But so far my suitcase is looking pretty good. Like, everything fits in there quite nicely. It's just a matter of how much it weighs because we're only allowed to bring 20 kilos, so let's hope it's not more. Then I still have some like toiletries I have to pack, and over there is my carry-on bag and my carry-on suitcase already all packed up. But as I said, I have to see how much these weigh because we can only bring 20 kilos for the big bag and 7 kilos to 10 kilos for the cabin bag. So my friend's gonna come with her scale and we're gonna weigh it, and then I'll have to see if I have to unpack. I probably do have to unpack, but that will be the grand reveal later. For now I'm bringing my packages. They're back here. I'm bringing my packages away because I have to bring them back to the post office, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And after that I will go to the drugstore to buy the rest of my cosmetic stuff, and I also still need those Ziploc bags for my suitcase. But other than that, we're pretty good, we're pretty packed. We just went and exchanged some money, so we had cash in Singapore dollars and in Indonesian rupiah when we get there. So that's another tip I can give. Always make sure you have some cash beforehand before flying to another country like that, because you just never know if your card might get stolen, if it might not work, or you know, something might happen. So you always have a few dollars so you can, you know, buy something to eat or stay at some place overnight and then figure out the rest on the next day. But that's something I learned on my last trip. So make sure you bring some cash in the currency of the destination you're going to. And yeah, let's head on to buy the rest of my cosmetic stuff. I'm back from shopping, and I don't know, I bought so much, but I just needed all these things. It's like always when you go away before vacation, you just end up needing all these things. So beforehand, I just picked up a package of it from my neighbor, which had my shampoo and conditioner in there. That's the TG one, and it's the therapy for hairline. I can definitely recommend this shampoo. I have like super bleached hair, which has been bleached like I don't know how many times. So I just need some extra good care for my hair, and this shampoo really does the job. And then there were also some birthday decorations in there because I'm going away over my birthday. And then let's get on to the big haul. So I ended up going to Primark again just to check out if they had my eyebrow pencils, and turned out they did. So these are my two favorite eyebrow pencils. They're, I think, in the color blonde. Yeah. So I'm really happy I got those because I didn't get them yesterday at Primark. Then I have 4 of these. This is vitamin B12, which I need since I most of the times eat vegan. So I definitely need these. So I just put all my vitamins in this clear Ziploc bag. They're quite a lot at the moment, but I mean, it has to last for 2 months, and I take several of them every day, so better not forget these. Moving on, I have this washing detergent, so I can wash my clothes in case they get dirty. Then I have some contact lens solution for my contact lenses. I bought this really big bottle of sunscreen because I don't know how much I'll be needing in 2 months, but I think a lot. I have another like clear sunscreen spray. Then I have one for the face, and then another one. So for sunscreen so far, I've got some After Sun in case I do get a sunburn, and some deodorant, 2 different ones. This is more like with a perfume, and this is more of just a deodorant. Then I have 2 hair thingies, like hair conditioners, hair masks that I can put in my hair if it's like really tangled up and just very dried out from the salt water. Then I also have this is from Cheel. It's like also like a hair mask that you can kind of spray in that just makes you be able to comb through your hair easier. Then I have some nail polish remover and some disinfectant spray so I can wipe off everything I want to before I touch it. Then some cotton sticks, some disinfecting wipes, always good to have. A new mascara, this is my favorite one from Catrice. It was out and they had a 20% of all the mascaras, which is nice. Then I got 2 concealers in 2 different shades, one lighter, one darker, in case my skin, you know, gets darker. They are from Rival de Loup, which is a brand. By the way, I went to Rossmann. Everyone in Germany probably knows what it is. It's like a drugstore like DM, but just a different one. And then I also got these refillable bottles for my purple shampoo, so I can take that with. And lastly, I have some band-aids in case we do get hurt, cut, whatever. And some nail polish, some white nail polish, which is essential on a beach vacation. And yeah, I don't know, this just cost me way too much, but I have to try to fit this in my suitcase now, so wish me luck.